And I replaced the pollen filter and an S40. So the driver's side. You can remove the gas pedal. Here's one 10mm. The other one. And right here behind the opposite side of this one. This one, it's the other one. It's 3 bolts. But this today, I'm not gonna remove it. So I'm not gonna remove the pedal. I'm gonna do it without removing it. Here where the cabin filter goes, next to the gas pedal. See this butterfly? Let's unscrew it. Go to the, remember, left. Like this. So, let's turn it to the left until you take it off. Once it's removed, this cabin filter panel, just pull it towards you. Here's the pollen filter. Just pull it out from the bottom. Better. This comes out. The dirty one. The new one, you have to squeeze it so you can shove it in there. Of course, I'm only using one hand, which is gonna be hard to me. And insert it. Once it's the front part's in, squeeze right here. Start inserting the new filter. The top one is caught on the top part. Let's push a little bit more. Have to align it top and bottom and start pushing it little by little. So our next challenge is the cover. It's real hard to maneuver. This part goes facing out. See this lip, this lip. Goes first. This. There we go. Push. Looks good. And last part is this butterfly. It's another big challenge. Goes on the top, the middle section. It's the middle section of the top one. You grab it like this. turning it. There it is. It's all set. This is complicated doing it with one hand, but it'll be easier if you remove the pedal. But you have a little experience with vehicles. Remember, remove the lid, remove the butterfly, the lid, take out the old filter. Here, squeeze the new filter and align. Put the top part or bottom part first, and then top, and then push it, push it, push it. After that, the lid has a lip, so it goes the lip first, and then incline, and the butterfly middle section, top hole. All right, guys, that's it. There's not much space underneath here, so sorry about the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Volvopedia. Thank you.